Welcome back to Shivali Cooking Classes. Today we're making French Madeleine. So let's get started. So put in a bowl 30 grams of custard sugar. Then put 7 grams of curd, 32 grams of milk. Then we mix it. Then we add a few drops of vanilla essence. After that, we mix it. 4 grams of corn flour. Then we again mix it. Then 37 grams of all-purpose flour. 10 grams of desiccated coconut. Pinch of salt. 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. 1/8 teaspoon of baking soda, and then we mix it properly. Then we add butter. We always add butter in last when you make madeleines. And then again mix it. Mix. Then we transfer our batter in our piping bag. With this recipe, you can make 6 madeleines. Bake it at 160 degrees for 10 minutes. Transfer this batter in a greased madeleine mold. Tap, tap, tap. Tap, 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 tap. Voila! Our French madeleines are ready. It looks so good. Coated with desiccated coconut. Wow, it looks so good. Try this recipe at home and tell me how it is. Subscribe and hit the bell icon. See you in the next recipe. Bye-bye.